Question: can you copy the Betaflight PID gains to INAV? The answer is yes, but not all. You can safely, without absolutely any problems, copy the I gains and the feed-forward gains. They are computed the same in both firmwares and they will just work exactly the same way. What about P gains? Well, in theory you could copy them because Betaflight and INAV compute the P term in exactly the same way. But because both firmwares compute the D gains in a completely different way and the P gains and the D gains are tightly connected, you should not copy P and D from the Betaflight to INAV. You can use the Betaflight P gains as the INAV starting point, but most probably the final tune will be slightly different. As for the D gains, it is advised just to tune the D separately. But for the I gains and the feed forward, just copy, it's exactly the same in both firmwares. If you would like to know more about the Betaflight to INAV migration, here's the video for you. In the meantime, I'm Paweł Spychalski. Thank you very much for watching and, like always, happy flying!